Hello dear fans. What is the largest island in the world? In the seas and oceans, which occupy most of the surface of our planet, there are a great many islands. Among them there are large ones, with a large population, large cities and developed economies, and there are also very tiny ones. The largest island in the world is located where the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans merge. This is the island of Greenland. Green Earth. Despite the fact that in translation the word Greenland means green land, it cannot be said that the whole island was covered with greenery. For those who came here for the first time, the name White Land would seem more appropriate. There are several theories as to why Greenland is named that way. According to one of the legends, the Vikings first saw this island in the summer, when there is still a green strip along the coast. This happened in the 10th century, when the Arctic tribes that had inhabited Greenland before disappeared from the island. Situation and natural conditions. Greenland covers an area of 2,130,800 square kilometers. Most of the territory is covered with ice all year round. True. Recently there has been a melting of Greenland's glaciers, and this process is happening quite quickly. Nevertheless, the ice sheet still occupies most of the island, rising to the center with a high, gently sloping dome. The dome is divided into two parts, south and north. There is a depression in the middle. The highest point of the shield is 3,300 m. It is located in the northern part. In the south, the ice sheet is more than 200 kilometers from the coast. The closest mainland to the island is North America. Greenland is washed by two currents, warm and cold. The East Greenland Current, even in a relatively warm season, brings floating ice from the Arctic Ocean, so navigation in this part of the island is difficult. The southwestern part of the island is more accessible because the warm West Greenland Current passes nearby. The coastline is intricately indented. The island has many narrow deep fjords, sometimes reaching the ice sheet. The northern part of the island, called Peary Land, is also ice-free. Climate, plants, animals, population. The climatic conditions of Greenland are quite varied. The mildest climate is in the southwestern part of the island. The temperature in winter and summer is almost the same, about 9 degrees. In this part of the island, it is sometimes summer when the temperature reaches 21 degrees Celsius. There is a lot of precipitation. In the north, even in the summer months, the thermometer rarely rises above 0 degrees Celsius. The flora of Greenland is not very diverse. On the banks, there is a crooked forest in the south and southwest. Birch, alder, and other deciduous trees, as well as juniper grow here. In the northern part, mainly shrubs grow. There are also meadows along the coast, mostly cereal. Deciduous forests give way to tundra with distance from the coast. The fauna of Greenland is characteristic of the circumpolar countries. Deer, musk ox, Arctic fox, seal, lemming and other inhabitants of northern latitudes live here. The population of Greenland is less than 60,000 people. The largest city is Nuuk, where 15,000 people live. The population is engaged in the extraction of minerals, graphite, marble, lead and uranium ores, hunting, and fishing. The island belongs to Denmark. Residents speak two languages, Danish and Greenlandic. Thanks for watching.